Hello and welcome. This short video is designed to help you understand user and admin roles, Cisco.com IDs, and email addresses as they pertain to using SmartCall Home. We will cover user roles in the portal, email addresses used during configuration, Cisco.com IDs used during registration, walk through a use case, and discuss best practices. At the end of this video is a list of resources to help you complete each task mentioned or demonstrated in the video. User roles define what you can view and the tasks you can complete in the SmartCall Home portal. Here is a list of the most popular portal functions and the user roles authorized to complete each function. These roles are direct customer roles. These roles are partner and partner customer roles. The email addresses and Cisco.com IDs used during configuration and registration have significant implications when using SmartCall Home. Here are some things to consider before enabling SmartCall Home. The email address used during device configuration is the email address to which the registration email will be sent. When the registration email is received and the user clicks the link to the portal, the user is asked to log in with their Cisco.com ID. If that Cisco.com ID is not associated to the contract for that device, registration will fail. This is also the Cisco.com ID against which TAC cases are opened. This can be changed in the portal using the Edit Device Preferences function. The Cisco.com ID used to register the device will receive notifications about the device. Again, this can be changed in the portal using the Edit Device Preferences function. The first Cisco.com ID used to log into the portal to confirm the first registered device under a specific contract becomes the device owner. That Cisco.com ID also becomes the administrator for that contract and any subsequent devices under that contract. Device owners and administrators can be changed in the portal. Now let's take a look at an example use case. My company has purchased a service contract directly from Cisco. Jane Doe, a manager in my company's IT department, will configure and register their devices to use SmartCall Home. These are the 3 steps Jane will take to enable SmartCall Home. Using the Quick Start Guide for each device type, Jane configures her company's devices. The second command designates the email contact as janedoe@mycompany.com. That email address will receive the registration confirmation email. Once device configuration is complete, Jane receives an email that asks her to confirm registration in the SmartCall Home portal. But before she clicks on that link and logs into the portal, Jane wants to make sure that the service contract under which this device is covered is associated with her Cisco.com ID. To do that, she browses to Cisco.com, logs in, and clicks Account, and then clicks Profile Manager. Her profile appears and she clicks on the Access Restricted Content tab and then clicks View Current Contracts. Yep, there's the contract. All is good. But what if the contract isn't there? Then what? If the contract isn't associated with her Cisco.com ID, she simply goes back to the Access Restricted Content tab and fills in the contract number and then clicks Submit. There's someone to chat with in case she has any questions or needs help. Okay, back to registering the device. Jane clicks on the link provided in the email, which takes her to the SmartCall Home portal. Jane logs into the portal and pastes the security token from the email into the appropriate field, clicks Submit, and registration is complete. Since Jane's was the Cisco.com ID used to register the device, she becomes the device owner. This means that the email address associated with her Cisco.com ID will receive notifications about the device and also makes janedoe@mycompany.com the SR contact for the device. Also, since Jane's was the first Cisco.com ID used to log into the portal for the first registered device under a specific contract, she is automatically assigned the admin role for that contract and any subsequent devices under that contract. At this point, Jane can use the portal to edit the device preferences. Here she can add additional email addresses to receive notifications from SmartCall Home. Now let's walk through some best practices. Do not use an email alias on a Cisco.com account. This is against Cisco policy and could result in undesirable security issues. Instead, add an email alias to receive notifications from Smart Call Home using Edit Device Preferences in the Smart Call Home portal. The Smart Call Home admin for a specific contract should create one additional administrator account as a backup, as well as user accounts for personnel within their company who need access to the information in Smart Call Home. Each user must have the contract associated with their Cisco.com ID. Create device groups, then assign admins and users for each group. The device groups can then each be assigned preferences such as notifications and SR contacts. Use these resources to complete the tasks referenced in this video. For more information about Smart Call Home, visit the Smart Call Home support community.